Learn Vanuatu in partnership with APTC is here in Pangpang village for a 3 days sustainable nutrition cookery skills training for women farmer group.
Hello everyone, my name is Nox Taleo. I work for APTC as a skills advisor for the hospitality and cookery program. I'm working in partnership with Live and Learn. We are running a training in nutritional and sustainable cooking skills. So what we are doing, we have a 3-day training with the mamas from Pangpang. And we are going through different ways on how we can better utilize our local food producers here in Pangpang. Over the 3 days, we managed to capture a lot of different ways on how to cook our local island kakai. We did some food preserves, and yes, the mama got to see different things that they can do with our local island food, and also they did some upskilling in food safety, hygiene. We talked about nutrition and sustainability. Thank you.
Hello everyone, name me Valerie Pai. Mimi wana member of Pangpang Farmer Group. 3 days mulai lanem any kind recipe, tomato sauce, peanut butter, with them maniok balls, every something we mulai lanem ya, mulai make every ingredients belum mulai no pen, mulai karen mo local kakai belum lo karen. Yuan tetale thank you nomor lo Live and Learn with them APTC lo sawe kam lo mibla lo village lo Pangpang lo lane mibla some good ideas pakan out lo la local kakai belum mibla sawe tekem or sawe ya mumplay hukum lo family belum mumplay sawe mega macam small business lo enem fatu lo LPM family belum. Thank you too much.